Today, July 6th, we detected unusual options activity on UPS. And in this video, we are going to try to make sense out of these unusual options that were done at 11:03 a.m. expiring next week. Okay, so July 14 was the expiration date. This is the 170 strike puts, 3,000 of them, and then the 177.5 strike puts, a total of 2,000 of them. Okay, so what does this mean? Let's take a look at the options chain. July 14, this is 8 days away, so this is next week. And 177.5 strike puts are over here. Notice that the open interest is much less than the volume. And here we are at the 170 strike puts. The open interest here is actually greater than the volume. Okay, so the 170 could be closing orders. Okay, so let's analyze this from two scenarios here. Okay, so let's assume that they were both opening orders as scenario one. Now, if they were opening, then the 177.5 strike puts were bought, and there was 170 strike puts were sold. So that was 3, a ratio of 2 to 3. We saw 2,000 to 3,000, right? So when we analyze this trade, what does it look like? You can see here, UPS at 179, if it goes down on the price on the x-axis, this trade on the purple and blue line becomes more profitable because it'd be above that 0 line here. That's profit on the y-axis. Anything above is profit. Anything below is a loss, right? So when we take a look at the deltas, you can also see that negative 46 means this is a short position, bearish. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is assuming that both were opening trades. Okay, now let's assume scenario 2, where only one of them was opening and the other was closing because of the open interest here being greater than the volume. Okay, so if they had closed this, what they were doing was they closed this to open the 177, basically rolling their strikes up higher to the 177. So the 170 are now closed, and they are then only left with the 177.5, and that's just one a put option, and obviously it's bearish as well. So you can see here that in both scenarios it is a short bearish position on UPS. Okay, and that is why we think UPS will be going down on the very near term. In a week, by July 14, you can start to see this trend starting to build, right? So up, down, up, down. So how far down are we going to go, right? So that is the question that we will find out next week. And if you're interested in our analysis videos, other stocks, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, make sure to comment below on what you think is going to happen to UPS next week. Will it continue to go down, or will it bounce back up and be done with its pullback here? Okay, comment below what you think. If you're interested in our trade strategies or other stocks where we analyze unusual options, Click the join button on our channel homepage to learn more on how you can become a member to gain access to exclusive videos for members only. All right, take care, everybody, and have a wonderful day.